I think one of the most common misconceptions people have, and I see it probably more when people are being investigated for white collar crime issues, is, well, I want to go in and explain what happened to law enforcement. Because once they hear my explanation, everything will be fine. That is 99.99999% never the case. I think I've had that happen one time where that actually worked. And frankly, it was not because the client did anything on their own, it was because we were able to sort of figure a scenario out where that was possible. But 99 times out of 100, you cannot talk your way out of these investigations. It is, and it's to your absolute detriment to do that. So I think that's the main misconception, is that you can talk your way out. The second misconception is, well, if I have nothing to hide, why shouldn't I talk to law enforcement without a lawyer? That's what law enforcement will tell you. Law enforcement agents will show up at your house at 6 in the morning with guns. And you will be groggy and disoriented, which is by design. And law enforcement agents will sit in your kitchen while other law enforcement agents are ripping apart your house with a search warrant. And they'll say, well, listen, if you have nothing to hide, why don't you answer our questions about something that happened 5 years ago? And you will be expected, if you decide to go down this path, you will be expected to answer questions about something that happened 4 or 5 years ago. You won't be shown any documents to help you aid your recollection, and all under this rubric of, well, if you don't have anything to hide, why don't you talk to us? It's nonsense. There is no downside to saying politely, I really don't feel comfortable speaking with you without a lawyer. There's no downside to that. There's only upside. So I think those are the two misconceptions that I would say are really prominent in this area. That's what I deal with almost every day.